It's a brand new game in a brand new world, new rivals. As you fight for survival, nothing can stop you, dominant Pearl. It's all about the challenge.
Right timing, Super.
New game in a brand new world, new rivals. As you fight
now that's what I call perfect exercise music.
It's all about the battle. You gotta play
Alright,
smart.
troopers.
You gotta move faster. Behind every win, there's a chance to begin again.
Let's get exercising.
You wanna be a master. Now here we go, we're on the road and you can't stop us now. You better believe what everyone knows that you can't.
Let's get those finger muscles up and running. 1, 2, 3, go!
It's time for adventure, dominant Pearl. We can change the world. Pokemon.
Let's get started. Alright, Master Designers. Tonight, we're gonna draw Sergeant Burly. Feel the burn. At the Yokai Realm, his workout channel has been taking the entire dimension by Sweatstorm. He's a really famous guy, and after you're possessed by Sergeant Burly, you can't stop exercising unless he says so. Once he spots someone who's out of shape, he won't stop until that guy is a powerful bulk of gold. Whatever that is. He has a partner named Sergeant Slug. Slugger Little Maximus. Alright guys, with Sergeant Burly on the running this series, I'm gonna be working hard and make sure my exercising muscles are in tip-top shape and make sure I get a six-pack. It's best to work in the heat. I know. I was there when I went to he was there when I was at Equinox. That place is really the best place to exercise. He's also one of the main characters for Yokai Watch 2.
One more challenge that comes our way.
It's up to me and you.
Here's Sergeant Burly's fist.
We know what we've gotta do.
It's so simple, it feels so right.
It all makes sense when we're side by
We
side
lean on one another.
and make each other stronger. We're all together now, friends forever now. Whatever comes our way, we won't run away anytime.
One for all.
It's our destiny.
There's no question, no mystery.
I'm much
Here's his
better
cameo.
when you're with me.
No mountain we can't climb.
The power is yours and mine. We're all together now, friends.
Alexa, what is cameo?
According to Wikipedia, a cameo role, also called a cameo appearance and often shortened to just cameo, is a brief appearance of a well-known person in a work of the performing arts. These roles are generally small, many of them non-speaking ones, and are commonly either appearances in a work in which they hold some special significance or renowned people making uncredited appearances.
You're my right hand.
Sergeant Burly is happy, and the creation is now complete.
You give me courage.
You promise to protect.
good workout. My work here is done. Looking good. Stegosaurus, see you later, folks. Battle stations.